Hi, I've been asked to speak to you today about how I've been adding cartoon characters into my videos like the one you can see here. And the way I've been doing this is by using the website called Voki. This allows you to create your own custom characters that are lip synced. Before I add the character in to the video or any other effects, I focus on creating the basic lesson and the video that will demonstrate that. This allows me to focus on the learning intentions and success criteria and make sure that there's good learning in the video. Only then will I add in any other effects. I normally create my videos using PowerPoint, just like I am at the moment with Record Slideshow, and I will finish off by exporting this to a video. That becomes the basis for the final video. Once I've got the video of my PowerPoint or whatever I made the lesson in, I've now got an audio track I can use for creating my character. When I'm using Voki, it's limited to 60 seconds at a time, so I have to cut my audio into chunks, and I will then upload each chunk in turn to Voki and follow the process I'm about to show you, and then just keep repeating that until I make maybe multiple videos of the character, and I'll merge those in at the end. Note also that the audio must be mono. The Voki website limits you to mono audio. If you're using a PC, you can use the free application Audacity to edit your video track for these purposes. I then went to the Voki website, which allows me to create the character. So in create mode, you can select the character you want, and I have chosen here the Scrooge character. I felt he looked a bit like a teacher from Victorian days, that's why. After I'd created the character, what I've done is I've worked out a colour that's not used in the picture of the character, and then I've created a drawing just of this colour and set that as the custom background. This creates the green screen effect, which I'm going to need when I edit the videos later. The final step in creating the character is when I upload my voice. This is under the voice menu, and there's just upload your audio as an option in there. As I said earlier, I had to cut this into 60-second chunks. I've also then tested that it's all working fine before proceeding. Once I've created the character and set the background, I'm able to save the character. Now, since I actually have a login on the site, I've not had to recreate the character each time. Most times I just upload a new audio and save, which makes it quite a quick process. Once the character is saved, the key thing I have to do is use the URL that's shared for the character, and that window will open up with a better view without the extra stuff around it, which is much more appropriate for converting into the final video. Using this URL, I'm able to now use screen recording software to convert the Voki into a video. This is just an easiest way of getting it ready for merging into the final video. I actually use OBS on the PC, but I think you can easily use your screen record on an iPad as well. Now that I've got all the components together, it's just a case of applying green screen, sometimes called chroma key effects, to the video. I also have to trim out the extra stuff from the browser window and move the character into position. I actually edit my videos with Serif Movie Plus, but that's no longer available to be purchased. So you could also use iMovie, or on the PC I believe there's a program called Shotcut, which seems to have good reviews. That's it, folks. Thanks for listening. Bye.